Okay, good morning guys. So dumating na yung order natin from Shopee. This one is a rack or storage rack for modem.
Perfect.
At yung Ninja Van courier na-deliver niya sa maling ano pa. Napakilala na mama ko daw. sa may bangga. Pero anyway, na-recover namin kasi bumalik yung courier. Where's the good thing? Okay. So, assemble natin guys. Then, I'll show you. Wow. Naka-wrap. Hindi siya bubble wrap pero okay naman. Ayan. Wow! Ayan. Okay. So, meron siyang screws. Meron siyang so, ano siya guys? From fiber. Okay. So, assemble natin. Kita natin sa inyo mamaya. Yeah. Okay, so thank you. Okay guys, so ito na yung nabili natin na storage for our modem. This one. I think 129 pesos lang siya. Okay, include shipping. So yan na siya. So white siya, white. Yan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.